In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Favicon in Webflow. A favicon is the tiny icon you see in your browser tab next to the page title. It helps visitors recognize your site at a glance and adds a polished, professional touch to your brand. In Webflow, adding a favicon is quick once you know where to look, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by opening your project in Webflow. If you land in the designer, look toward the top area and head to your dashboard. From the dashboard, open the site's settings. You'll be on the General Settings page, where Webflow organizes key brand assets. Scroll until you see the section labeled Favicon, specifically the one marked Light Theme. This is where you'll upload the small icon that appears in normal tab backgrounds. Click the Favicon option to open the Upload panel. Then click Upload. Your file picker will open, and Webflow will prompt you to select a 32 by 32 pixel image. Supported formats include ICO, PNG, GIF, and JPG. Choose the file that best represents your brand. If you're not sure which format to use, a transparent PNG is a safe, high-quality choice for most logos. Once you select your file, confirm the selection so it begins uploading. You may see an additional upload or open button depending on your operating system. Go ahead and approve those prompts. After a moment, Webflow will show a small preview of your favicon in the light theme area. That preview is your confirmation that the file has been added successfully. A few quick tips to make your favicon look its best. Keep the design simple and bold, because 32 by 32 pixels is very small. Use strong contrast so the icon is clearly visible against a light browser tab. If your logo is detailed, consider simplifying it to a single letter or symbol. Make sure the canvas is exactly square, and avoid thin lines or tiny text that can blur at small sizes. After the upload, your favicon is associated with the project. If you already have the site open in a browser tab, give it a refresh to see the new icon appear. Some browsers cache favicons, so it may take a short while before the change shows everywhere. And that's it. You opened your project, went to the dashboard and site settings, located the favicon for light theme, clicked upload, selected a 32 by 32 image, and confirmed the upload. Your site now has a clean, recognizable favicon